Hello everyone, this is 8482 Media. I'm going to be showing you how to make some basic editing in Premiere Pro. And start off here by going to your basic toolbar here and showing you a few different options. We'll start off with the razor tool. You can get to it by clicking here or just by simply clicking C on your keyboard. When you do so, you see the razor blade icon here in Premiere Pro. Let's say you want to just cut out a small section here in the audio. You want to remove it, you don't like it. You click at the start where you want to remove that, then to the end, and now you've highlighted and you selected this small segment here of audio. You can highlight that, just click delete, remove it, and you can space and bring in that audio to bring it together by clicking that empty space. So it'll be highlighted and clicking backspace or delete. Now it's together. Let's say you want to remove and do the same at the same time with the audio as well with the video MP4. You just simply hold down your shift button when your razor blade or C is activated here, and now it will select all the way across your audio files and your video at the same time. So now you highlight both, you can remove both. Now it does those exactly at the same time. Empty space highlighted, backspace or delete. Now you bring it in. Now you brought everything in together. That's one way to get started here in Premiere Pro with editing. All right, thank you. Peace.